If you have ever tried to build a digital product and ended up drowning in scattered notes, confusing drafts, or endless rewrites, Krisspy will immediately spark your curiosity. It claims to bring everything together in one structured space, powered by smart artificial intelligence agents. From the moment you explore its clean workspace and watch ideas turn into full product flows, you start wondering how much faster your projects could move with a system that connects user journeys, specs, screens, and tasks automatically. Whether you manage client projects, design applications, or run small teams, Krisspy feels like a tool built to remove chaos and turn every step into something clear and organized. Krisspy stands out by giving product builders a single platform where ideas, flows, discussions, and development steps stay linked. Instead of hopping between different drafting apps, planning boards, and design systems, you begin with a canvas that stays connected to your backlog and production plan. The artificial intelligence agents help you shape user flows, screen structures, and working logic without asking you to start from scratch each time. When you change something, the system adjusts and keeps the rest of your work consistent. One of the strengths of Krisspy is the way it supports teamwork. You can assign responsibility to each block of your product, making it easy to follow who owns which decision and what progress is being made. Real-time editing and comments help teams stay aligned, and you can continue extending features without breaking any earlier work. This becomes especially helpful when working across design, research, and early development stages. Krisspy also offers artificial intelligence code agents that generate structured application logic. Instead of manually creating screen relationships, permissions, user roles, and data actions, the platform builds an organized starting point based on your validated flows. You can keep improving the app structure and rerun the agents whenever changes happen. Since it connects with design tools like Figma, it can blend prototyping and development planning smoothly. Krisspy is available on AppSumo with a lifetime access deal, which allows buyers to secure long-term use without future subscription costs. The different license tiers provide increasing monthly credits and expanded team capacity, making it accessible for freelancers, product managers, and small businesses. With AppSumo offering a 60-day refund window, the deal gives you room to test Krisspy and decide if the workflow improvements match your needs. If you want a workspace where product planning, collaboration, and artificial intelligence-generated structure work together in one place, Krisspy is worth serious consideration. Grab the lifetime deal while it is active and explore how efficiently your next project could be built.